Join me as I put the new DJI Mavic 4 Pro to the test and see if it lives up to the hype. The wait is finally over, and the DJI Mavic 4 Pro has landed, generating massive excitement in the drone community. This latest addition to the Mavic series is significant not only because of its impressive specs but also due to the tremendous impact it's expected to have on the world of aerial photography and videography. For drone enthusiasts and filmmakers, the last few years have been a bit of a struggle. Models like the Mavic 2 Pro and Air 2S, although impressive in their own right, had some limitations that hindered creative freedom. For instance, their flight times were restricted, and the obstacle avoidance systems, while innovative, had some blind spots. Moreover, the resolution and frame rates of the cameras, although decent, left some professionals craving more. The noise and size of these drones also made them less portable and more conspicuous, making them less suitable for certain types of shoots. Furthermore, another major issue was the connectivity and transmission system, which often resulted in dropped signals, lag, and other issues that frustrated users. Lastly, the software and app functionality, though user-friendly, lacked some advanced features that enthusiasts and pros alike wanted to see. All these limitations led to an anticipation that bordered on desperation, an expectation that the next big thing in drones would finally address these pain points. And that's exactly what DJI has promised to deliver with the Mavic 4 Pro. So, what's new and improved in the Mavic 4 Pro? On the surface, this drone boasts a sleeker, more aerodynamic design that not only looks fantastic but also enhances its flight performance. But it's what's underneath that truly matters. The Mavic 4 Pro comes equipped with a brand new 48-megapixel camera featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing breathtaking 8K video at 30 FPS or 4K at 60 FPS, a massive upgrade from its predecessors. Additionally, DJI has revamped the obstacle avoidance system, now dubbed omnidirectional sensing, which claims to offer a 360-degree awareness of its surroundings, reducing the risk of accidents and making navigation smoother. The flight time has also seen a significant increase, with up to 40 minutes on a single charge, making it far more practical for extended shoots. Notably, the Mavic 4 Pro's transmission system has been overhauled, promising a more reliable and lag-free connection. This, combined with a more advanced app and software suite, aims to provide users with a more seamless and precise control over their drone. But what truly sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart from its competitors is its incredible Active Track 4.0 feature, which enables the drone to lock onto and follow subjects with uncanny precision, even at high speeds or in complex environments. This game-changing technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we capture aerial footage, effortlessly weaving together cinematic sequences that would previously require a team of operators. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro has finally arrived, and it's packed with features that aim to address the concerns and limitations of its predecessors. With its upgraded camera, improved obstacle avoidance, and significantly enhanced flight performance, this drone is poised to take the world of aerial photography and videography to new heights. So, what do you think about the Mavic 4 Pro? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more drone reviews and tech content.